Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be kind of I guess a hodgepodge. What's that word? Just a bunch of different things. First, I have a little mini haul. I went to Goodwill. Oh, this is a couple weeks ago. I have no idea what this book is about. It says it's the same author as Girl with a Pearl Earring. I have not read it, but I bought it simply because of the cover. Look at this cover. Is that not gorgeous? I hope you can see that. It's kind of like a burgundy, very medieval, and I don't know what the book is about. It says The Lady and the Unicorn, but I bought it simply for the cover. It was 99 cents, so there you go. It looks kind of short. Maybe I should just read it real quick. I also found this one, Roma Downey Box of Butterflies. Discovering the unexpected blessings all around us. I have no idea what this is either, but the cover is nice. It's sturdy. It's not glued in, so I can actually use the cover if I want. But there are some gorgeous pages in here. I mean, look at these butterflies and these watercolor florals and just a bunch of really, really cool images. Inspirational poems and thoughts, and I just thought, yeah, I probably could use a lot of this. I love and butterflies throughout. So that also was 99 cents. And then I found this, the new Painting Impressionism 1874 to 1886. This is like a coffee table book of Impressionists, but there are a few. I mean, I like the size of this book. This is a well, you can see here, it's like 11 by 9 by 11 size, but I figure this would be great size for making ephemera. A lot of Impressionists, Monet and Renoir and all kinds of artists. But yeah, if not just for inserts, but envelopes or lots of wordy pages, and this is a nice thick paper, so I went ahead and picked that up, and it's huge. It's a good 4 pounds. It's about, well, it seems fatter, 1.5 inches, but that was also 99 cents, so I went ahead and picked that up. The other thing that I wanted to show you is one of the things I'm working on today is these tags. My mom's group is doing a Bible study, discerning the voice of God, and one of the in the first chapter it talks about the key to unlocking God's blessing is obedience. So I made up these little tags for the girls in my group to use as bookmarks, just using these keys. I got these on Amazon. I want to say it was $6 for like 30 of them. I had ordered before and got really tiny ones. These are quite a bit bigger. I like these, and there's 5 each of 6 different designs. So all I did to make this was I printed out, these are some background pages from Victoria Designs, and I think it's grungy backgrounds, something like that, and I printed them out on cardstock, and then I went in and printed this out on some grungy coffee dyed paper that had been I don't know if it's something I scanned in or something I downloaded from might have been Pixabay or something, and then I cut those apart. So all I've done for these tags then is cut them I cut them in half at 5.5 because it was 8.5 by 11 paper. So it's 5.5 this way, and then I usually make my tags double height. So it's 2 3/4 this way. And that left me with like a 1/4 inch scrap, that's all. And I tore these pieces out, inked around the tag, inked around the obedience, and tied a tag to the top. That easy. I thought about doing a tutorial, but it's just not necessary because it's just very easy. So I'm going to make about a dozen of these. I've got 6 finished, and just about I guess about a 12-inch piece of ribbon is what I've used for the top. So anyway, so I've got those I'm working on today, and then I wanted to show you some of the things I'm going to be putting in my Etsy shop. So I have a stack of golden books here that I've been collecting and collecting. So these I'm going to list in my Etsy store. So I'm going to go through them really quickly. If you see something, it's probably going to take me a couple days to get these listed, but then you can jump over there and see. This one is ready to be disassembled. The gold is coming off, but these are really, some are more contemporary, and some are older. So I was at one time going to do a Sesame Street, so I have a bunch of Sesame Street ones in here. Love Mercer Mayer. When I was teaching, this was my favorite. I think I had every Mercer Mayer book. Pokey Little Puppy, that's a classic. Raggedy Ann and Andy, the Firefighters Counting Book, God Gives Us Seasons, Peter Pan. Cinderella has a little bit of, looks like it got stuck to something, but if you're going for a vintage feel, that'll fit right in. This is a newer Hercules one. Mater, of course, Cars is newer. Little Mermaid, Tawny Scrawny, that's a classic. Alice in Wonderland, it does have a little bit of ink here and there. I Am a Princess, The Little Mermaid, Sleeping Beauty. I think this is a older one. And 101 Dalmatians and The Christmas Story. And I will list the publication date in the description. Okay, last thing I wanted to share with you is that I have this stack of journal kits. This is for, let's see if I can get that over there without it falling down. These are for ring binding the little golden books. They've already been punched with the 3 rings. I've got 3 folders for each one that would go inside. Miscellaneous scrapbook paper. Now they're all going to be very different. There's cardstock, there's envelope, there's some thinner origami paper, there's another envelope, here's some more origami paper, and things of different sizes, and then I've got just white paper. This is a kit for you to put it together the way that you would like, so I will go through really quickly and tell you which kits that I have available. This is the Little Red Hen, and looks like I have a Tale of Peter Rabbit. I have I Love You Daddy. I got these upside down somehow. I have I Love You Mommy. I have Frosty the Snowman. And these are all ones that I had intended to do for my Christmas boutique, and I just did not have time to finish them all. I have Winnie the Pooh and the Honey Patch. I will say though that the ones that I did was able to finish, I sold them all. Everyone loved the little golden books. And more. How Does Your Garden Grow? And The Miracles of Jesus. I've got Bambi. Guess I should go this way with these now. Peter, Pan, and Wendy. Let's see what else I've got down here. I've got a little golden picture dictionary. And the Saggy Baggy Elephant. So those are the ones that I have that will be kits. And then, let's see, do I have anything else? Let me get this stack out of the way. Oh, I have two more. These are kind of how I put them together. I have the First Counting book and the Tale of Peter Rabbit, but let me just show you real quick how I put these together. I put the title page on, and then I put a folder, and then I just put the book pages in between the other pages. So there's some little small pages and writing pages, and the envelope makes a couple of pockets, and yeah, very, very fun. And like I said, everybody loved these. So there's 3 folders in each one of these, and all the ephemera. So these will also be available on my Etsy. And what else? Was there anything else? No, maybe that's it. I hope you guys have a good Saturday and a good Sunday. And we'll do something fun on Monday. I'm thinking about trying to do, everybody's on this masterboard kick. So I was thinking maybe trying to do a masterboard, maybe making some faux handmade paper, which sounds funny, faux handmade paper. But I thought I might try that with the red rosin that I got from Connie. Hi, Connie. And go from there. So, and then we'll make something out of it. So anyway, I have no idea if this mat is straight, crooked, or whatever. I hope it didn't make you crazy. It makes me crazy when it's crooked on the video. So anyway, guys, have a good weekend, and I'll see you next time.